Hey my friends, how's it going? Are you interested in San Clemente? Are you looking for something that lives like a single level house, that it has views, canyon and ocean views? Because this property behind me, you can see how beautiful it is. It's got some stunning views. It's been completely reimagined. It's originally an older home, but has been recently remodeled. I'm super excited for you to check it out. It's on a very quiet street. And as you may or may not be able to tell, it's drizzling today. I know it doesn't happen very often in San Clemente, but it is. We usually average about 280 to 300 days of sunshine, but I'm taking you out in the rain today, so I hope you don't mind. But the point is, I want you to see this place. I think they did a phenomenal job. I've walked through this property, I've fine-tooth combed it, and it's been remodeled very, very tastefully. And some key points I'm excited for you to see. So let's flip this camera around and get you inside. All right, check out this walkway. Really nice, large concrete pavers with a box hedge planted in the planter up against a smooth stucco finish. It is raining today, so it's a little bit darker than it normally is. It's got some moisture in it, but that smooth stucco finish really gives this house an extra level of elegance. And you're probably able to pick up on how nice this wood detail is against the black framed windows, the black Dutch door. A Dutch door is something where the top is split from the bottom, so you could push that open, keep the bottom closed, let the ocean breeze that comes through here flow through the house. Let's go inside and check this out. Wow. So I'm immediately picking up on really high level detail finishings. Smooth coat on the drywall, very nice. Not a lot of orange peel texture or knockdown finish, it's very smooth. And over here on the right-hand side of the hallway, there's this wood detail that's been really nicely painted out. And it leads you down this hallway to a vaulted ceiling section that's probably 14 feet high in the center. And then out these windows are some incredible canyon views out towards the east. So all these windows are gonna get incredible morning sunshine just flowing through. It's gonna be a very uplifting solar orientation, the way that this house faces. And then directly ahead in this great room, another nice wood detail with the oak going up to the top of the ceiling. They've got the gas fireplace appliance there as a focal point, along with the big screen TV and this media center shelving. This is something where I don't see builders of homes going to this height or this level of finish as I've seen in this property. The flooring too, we haven't spent any time on that, but there's these large 48-inch tiles, and it's more of an earth tone, which I'm really digging in this place. Very soothing, very calming tone on the floors. And then this kitchen, as you can probably see here, is also really nicely done. A standout statement piece here is this Viking built-in fridge. Again, just giving way to the extra mile that this builder went. And I like how they left this sticker on it. Check it out. An $11,000 fridge. All right, I have to peek inside. Yes, that is a beautiful appliance. So built-in fridges, if you're not super familiar with them, they weigh a ton. They're very challenging to install. You definitely want a professional installing this, but they're precise counter depth. So this is the counter, and the built-in fridge matches up almost perfectly with the counter depth. So it's not sticking out super far out of the box. And then it's built into the cabinetry really nicely. So this adds an extra level of luxury in this kitchen. And as we make our way to the 6-burner range, this looks to be about 36 inches wide, 6-burner, gas. And then one of the things that they did here that's, again, above and beyond is the pot filler. So there's this really nice chrome finish pot filler. So if you're putting a big dinner together or a feast and you don't want to carry a heavy pot of water from the sink, you've got the pot filler. And then the hood is also wrapped in wood. So again, a nice luxury finish there. And the sink looks to be about a 30-inch single basin sink. Nice fixture. And I really like how they took the stonework, this is probably a quartz countertop, and they detailed it up to the window. So this windowsill is all the same material as the countertop. Check that out. I'm liking the view from the sink too. You've got these huge, I think these are date palm trees, and there's gonna be a couple peaks of ocean view out that way too. Black framed windows, new. They look to be fiberglass or vinyl, which is a nice finish. And then the island. It's been designed to fit stools under the island, so 3 or 4 stools can fit here. I thought this was pretty cool too. You got a little wireless charging station that pops up on the island. There we go. Makes it easy to charge phones, crock pots, things like that. And then the dining area. This is all an open concept, and remember there were no steps leading into this home. It's been completely single level. So this is a good sized dining space too. This table is pretty big. It easily fits 6 chairs, and it could have a chair at the head of the table as well to get 8 people. And there's still room for this little side lounge. A nice 8 or 10 foot slider leading out to this generous sized backyard. This just feels really good in here. And another section of vaulted ceilings. All the LED can lights installed up there, as well as fire sprinklers. So I'm trying to give you an idea of what it feels like to live in this space. Being here now, it's all open. It's not huge. This house doesn't feel oversized. It seems just right. There's plenty of space here to host, but it's not such a big house where you feel like your guests are gonna be off in one corner while you'll be in the kitchen. Everybody can definitely hang out with each other in this property. And I love how many windows are here. It's a rainy, cloudy, gloomy day. You can see all the water on the windows. And there's a ton of light in here. We could turn all the lights off and there would be plenty of natural light in this property. So let's make our way to the main floor bedrooms. This is guest bedroom number 1. Good sized bedroom, you can see nightstand on each side. Plenty of room for a queen or king bed. 2 windows orientating out towards the front yard. And those are box hedges that are planted there. They were just planted, and so they'll grow up and they'll create some more privacy, like a living fence between the street and the house. And they've got this built-in closet system here, a little different. You don't see this very often, but it works. I think it's cedar lined. It smells really good. So guest bedroom number 1, and I'm loving this door. This is like a reeded oak. Check out the detail on that. Looks really good with the black hardware too. That is an extra level of finish for sure. Just off the family room this bedroom is. And across from the bedroom, bathroom number 1. Let's turn the light on. It's got motion detecting lights behind the window or behind the mirrors, which is cool. Dual vanity, vessel sinks that sit above the countertop. This is a quartz countertop. The vessel sink sits on top of that. So what that does is it keeps splashing and things like that to a minimum. I like vessel sinks because I feel they keep the countertop cleaner. This is an interesting bathtub. It's a perfect circle. It's got the separate fill here. That's kind of a cool feature. And there's no houses looking in behind. This bathtub basically has an amazing canyon view. It kind of feels like symbiotic with nature there. I really like what they've done with that. And then no curb for the shower. So this is a great property that somebody could be thinking about the future, thinking about getting older when you don't want any stairs in the home. You don't want a curb going into the shower. This is actually really good for ADA compliance, wheelchair compliance as well. This functions very, very nicely. And then the tile work in here, it's kind of a corduroy. Again, with the earth tones, very calming, very soothing. See the rock stack, that's a nice touch. I'll have to try that in one of my listings. And as we exit the bathroom, you can see down the hall some extra wood detail and linen storage here in the hallway. Let's see if this is soft close. That it is. This would be the master bedroom, primary suite, whatever you want to call it. No lights on except the reading lights right now. That's a nice touch. More very nice craftsmanship in the carpentry work. The detail there is excellent. Man, they did a nice job with this home. Compliments to the builder on this one. Whoever remodeled it really kind of had a nice finish palette. So over here off the bedroom portion is the master closet. It's got white shaker with black hardware on the built-ins. This window orientates towards the front yard, and it's got the opaque finish on it, so privacy glass. Plenty of space for his and hers. And then the master bath. Another motion sensor for the lighting. Same vanity as in the guest bathroom with the vessel sinks. A little bit of a different detail here. They took the tile work up the wall, which I love. And you've got this huge dual shower head. Shower with frameless glass and a large bench seat with a window, so you can pop that window open. It's got the privacy glass. Gosh, I love that. Let's check this out. The tile work is even really nice on the floor here with the unique pattern for the drain too. That's really cool. I like this window in here. The seat functions really nicely. And for those of you that like a wand in the shower, this house has it. 2 waterfall shower heads, very, very nice. The lighting behind the mirror, a great touch. I'm loving this master bedroom. Okay, so there is one more room. It's a little portion of upstairs above the garage. Let's head up there. Nice wood flooring on the stairs. And here is the 3rd bedroom. So some nice ocean views up here. You're not going to be able to see it today because it's raining, but this room is large. It just doesn't have a bathroom. So this could make a really cool primary suite if someone wanted to add a bathroom. It wouldn't be terribly difficult to add a bathroom because underneath us right now is the garage. So it wouldn't be that hard to access plumbing and things like that to add a bathroom. And it has a really cool deck outside here as well. So 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, plenty of space. This is a really cool floor plan. I see this as being a cool guest bedroom, especially if somebody added a bathroom. That would be nice. But a great property, and this is currently listed for a little bit more than 2.2 million, so it's a good value. We'll finish this up by taking you outside. This is a generous sized yard. It's kind of a side backyard here. Great place to do some outdoor dining. I like what they've done with the turf grass. It's very low maintenance. Check this out. Definitely one with nature at this lot. Love these pine trees too. Woo! Stormy day here in San Clemente. Thankfully, it doesn't happen all that often. Thanks for joining me on this tour. A beautiful property. If you want to see something like this, reach out to me. I'd love to kind of show you what neighborhoods have the types of properties that you like. This neighborhood that we're in today, this is the Hill in San Clemente, has great hill views and great ocean views. And this is a brand new remodeled house that hit the market a little bit north of 2.2 million. It's not gonna last long. So shoot me a text or send me an email. Let me know what kind of properties you like, and I'll make sure to bring you the next one. Thanks so much. See you on the next one.